Hello everyone. Now next sound is sound of vowel I. I की जो phonic sound होती है E. I की जो phonic sound होती है E. And now we'll do sound of vowel E. Here in this video we will read E sound words. So let us start. P I G pig. B I G big. D I G dig. F I G fig. M I G mig. W I G wig. These are rhyming words of I G ig sound words. I says E and G says G. And here we read it I G ig sound. P I G pig. B I G big. D I G dig. F I G fig. M I G mig. W I G wig. Read again. Pig, big, dig, fig, mig, wig. Next is T I N tin. B I N bin. F I N fin. P I N pin. These are rhyming words of I N in sound. I says I and N says N, and here we read it I N in. T I N tin. B I N bin. F I N fin. P I N pin. Next is K I D kid. L I D lid. N I B nib. B I B bib. Next is L I P lip. P I P pip. S I P sip. T I P tip. Z I P zip. These are rhyming words of I P ip sound. L I P lip. P I P pip. S I P sip. T I P tip. Z I P zip. Next is H I T hit. K I T kit. L I T lit. P I T pit. S I T sit. These are rhyming words of I T it sound. H I T hit. K I T kit. L I T lit. P I T pit, and S I T sit. Hit, kit, lit, pit, sit. I hope you got it.